If you like this video, hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hello everyone. Hi my 1UKM. Hi 1UKM. How are you? Okay, so it's been a while. Teacher tak bagi korang video for our Pdpr because I know that not everyone ada data yang banyak. But tapi dah lama sangat we are using our module tuntas. So I think it is about time now we need to use our textbook. Okay. So today I'm going to first thing first. Okay, teacher nak ingatkan dulu, okay? Whenever we have class, it's okay if you don't attend on time. But I hope that, okay, tak apa kalau korang tak ada semasa kelas, but please, bila korang ada masa pada hari itu, buat kerja dan check jawapan bila teacher bagi jawapan. Okay, and jangan lupa juga tulis your attendance. Bila korang buat kerja, tapi korang tak tulis attendance, maksudnya korang tak hadir kelas pada hari itu. Tak kisahlah kalau kelas pada pukul 12 tengah hari pun, tapi kalau korang buat kerja pada 5 petang, that's okay. As long as you do the work, check your answers and write your attendance. Okay, 1UKM? Okay, so now we are going to look at our textbook PILSE 2. Okay, textbook PILSE. Okay, so buka your textbook and turn to page 20. Okay, turn to page 20. Right, so everyone, let's look at page 20. Okay, so semuanya adalah buku-buku bestsellers. Okay, bestsellers means buku-buku yang terjual banyak. Okay, yang very famous, yang banyak orang beli. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books. Okay, so now let's look at exercise 3. Match the definitions with words from exercise 1. Okay, so number 1 until number 5 ni adalah definitions. Okay, maksud. Okay, so from exercise 1. Exercise 1 tu dekat sini. Adventure story, autobiography, biography, comic novel, cookery book, detective novel, fairy tale, historical novel, poetry book, romantic novel, science fiction novel, thriller, and travel guide. Okay, so ini adalah jenis-jenis buku. Okay? Okay, so sekarang ni dia nak korang match perkataan-perkataan ni, jenis-jenis buku ni dengan definition dekat exercise 3. Okay, so dalam buku latihan korang tulis je lah number 1, mungkin jawapan dia apa? Adventure story. So tulislah. Kalau number 1 jawapan dia travel guide, tulislah number 1 travel guide. Okay? Okay, mari kita try number 1 punya jawapan. A story about trying to solve a crime. Cerita yang menyelesaikan jenayah. So kalau cerita yang menyelesaikan jenayah ni, apa nama dia? Adakah dia adventure? Adakah dia comic? Adakah dia romantic novel? Historical? Detective? Okay. So jenayah, menyelesaikan. So usually dia di detective novel. Macam tu. Okay. So number 1 the answer is detective novel. Alright. That is number 3. Number 5. Okay, make notes about a book you enjoyed reading. So sekarang ni teacher nak korang cari mana-mana buku yang korang suka baca and then korang tulis dekat sini. You have to write the title. What is title? Tajuk. Author. Author, penulis. Kind of book. Okay, kind of book ni korang boleh tengok dekat number 1 tu. Buku korang tu jenis apa? Okay, so pilih antara satu ni. Okay, and then age when you read it. Okay. So umur korang masa korang baca buku tu. Kalau korang baru baca sekarang, and then you just have to write 13 years old. Tapi kalau buku tu korang dah baca lama, maybe masa korang darjah 1, masa korang tahun 2, so tulislah 8 tahun, 7 tahun, macam tu. Okay, why you liked it? Okay, kenapa kamu suka baca buku tu? Okay, so teacher nak at least korang bagi 5 reasons. Okay, tak payah tulis panjang, tulis pendek-pendek je. Okay, for example, why you like it? Okay, korang tulis sana, I like this book because it has a very pretty cover. Macam tu. Cover tu maksud dia muka depan. Dia punya cover. Okay, dia punya kulit buku. Lepas tu, number 2. I like this book because the characters in this story is very is a kind person. Macam tu. Okay, so korang kena bagi 5 sebab. Okay? Alright. So I guess that is all for today. Okay, so korang punya task simple je. Number 3, exercise 3 and exercise 5. Okay, nanti I will share the answers with you. And for number 5, you have to show to me lah. Okay? Alright, so that's all for today. I hope everyone is staying safe and take care. Bye!